Welcome to this presentation on In Search of Excellence, the groundbreaking business book by Tom Peters and Robert Waterman. This book uncovers what makes great companies thrive and how you can apply these principles to create success in your own organization. What separates truly successful companies from the rest? Through extensive research, the authors discovered that excellence is not just about strategy and profits, it's about people, action, and strong values. The best companies create a culture where employees are engaged, customers feel valued, and innovation thrives. The best companies don't waste time overanalyzing, they take action. Instead of waiting for the perfect strategy, they experiment, learn, and adjust along the way. Amazon, for example, constantly tests new ideas, gathers feedback, and improves its services based on real-world data. Great businesses are obsessed with their customers. They listen, respond quickly, and continuously improve their offerings. Apple, for example, became a global leader by designing products based on customer needs. Companies that put customers first build loyalty and stay ahead of the competition. Employees perform their best when they feel trusted and valued. Companies like 3M encourage their people to take initiative and work on independent projects, leading to innovations like Post-it notes. When employees have ownership over their work, they bring their best ideas to the table. Successful organizations find the right balance between structure and flexibility. While they provide clear direction and values, they also give employees the freedom to innovate. Johnson & Johnson, for example, allows different business units to operate independently while staying true to the company's mission. Leadership is not about sitting in an office, it's about being actively involved. Great leaders lead by example, engage with employees, and set the standard for company culture. Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart, regularly visited stores, spoke with employees, and stayed connected to daily operations. Companies that thrive keep things simple. They cut unnecessary layers of management, make quick decisions, and avoid overcomplicated processes. Toyota became a global leader by streamlining production, reducing waste, and continuously improving efficiency. True excellence isn't about chasing quick wins, it's about building sustainable success. Companies like IBM and Disney have remained relevant for decades because they invest in people, innovation, and strong customer relationships instead of focusing only on immediate profits. Excellence is not about perfection, it's about consistently making smart choices, adapting to change, and creating a company culture that encourages success at every level. The question now is, how will you apply these principles to create excellence in your own work and organization?